And now with Hearst Puppets, we're going to be I tell a story. It's quite amazing. Once upon a time, in a nursery rhyme. Once upon a time, in a nursery rhyme. This is my story, Little Red and I. It seems so all the time. I don't know and always play her. And always stand and always play. Little Red, if you're bored, you should go greet your grandma. Alright, I'll do that. Little Red got bored. Her mother she ignored. Stopped along the way for some games to play. This is my story, Big Bad Wolf and I. They see me coming and they always cry. Always say, ah! Wolf! Don't worry, I say, where are you going, Little Red and I don't know. I take some goodies to my mom so she's sick in bed. No said. Little Red, little hay, for some games to play. Granny. This is my story, Grandma, Mom, and I. See you coming in the hall. As girls just want to have fun. Granny went away. Wolf came in to play. Put on Granny's clothes. Stuck her glasses on her nose. Little Red, you could see the skies. All the eyes. All the sighs. Grandma, what big eyes you have? Better see with manure. Grandma, what big nose you have? Better smell you have. Grandma, what big mouth you have? Better to eat those goodies with. Yum! Once upon a time, in a nursery rhyme. Once upon a time, now we're out of time. That was our production of Little Red Riding Hood. Sort of.